mga train dito guys, walang laman. May kanya-kanyang kwartong mga train dito. May driver din sila. First time that I see that train have a driver. May driver ang train nila dito. Not yet. May mga sasakay. May sasakay ng mga pasaheros. Alight na kami dito guys. Alight here and I think go this way. Oh, it's raining.
Huh?
Is it raining? Or yeah, snow or raining? Did you take our umbrella?
Yes.
Oh, snow pala. Nag-i-snow pala guys. Snowy guys, yes! Nice experience. It's snowy. Snowy. Nag-snow talaga siya guys. Yay!
So there's checkpoint Charlie.
Where?
There.
Wait honey. You gonna take a video? I will take a video here. I will
Go.
Let's go. Hindi na makita yung pedestrian lane. Oh, it's
I shouldn't have worn my long underwear.
take my video, honey. Honey, because I want to run away. No, no, talaga.
Huh?
We gonna wait here? Or where?
You done?
Huh?
You done?
No, just stay. I will be there. I will the other one. Where are you? Ayan, umuulan ng snow. Ang saya-saya. You can put it on. Careful.
Huh?
Cars behind. First time in my life.
'Find where the bus is stopped.
Where the bus stop here. Ay, ang sarap. Ha?
There should be a place where it says hip
Yeah.
hop one, hop off.
Yes.
I don't see nothing. Oh, that's all we need is snow.
That. Gotta wipe my hands. First time experience with the snow. Yeah. You did not wear your boots, honey?
No.
Ay, ay. We're looking for the bus stop for our tour bus. Ay. No, I stayed on the
There it says hop on, hop.
Where?
Off. Yeah.
my phone is there. I think that the bus, honey. Is that? Ay, nakakatakot.
It's the bus right there.
Here. Oops,
Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
oops.
Huh? I already have the ticket. Where is the bus stop? Yeah. But I have just as email. How do I?
Okay, email.
Yeah. Huh?
Hindi pala ito tumatakbo. Yes, magbabas kami ngayon, guys.
Email.
Wenn jemand zu ihm ist, mein Ticket verkauft.
Pasakay kami ng bus.